Hello students, myself Pallavi Deshpande and I will be teaching you Organization of Commerce and Management for Standard 12. So let us start with our chapter number 5, Emerging Modes of Business. So students, here you can see some images. The image on the left hand side is all about e-business. E-business, let us understand what is e-business. In 1997, IBM started using the term e-business for the first time. Till that time, the word e-commerce was used. E-business means the use of the web, internet, intranet, or some combination there is of to conduct business. Technology is moving fast to make things possible tomorrow, which seems impossible today. So let us understand what is the meaning of e-business. The term e-business, that is electronic business, is derived meaning it has been gained or taken out from the terms email and e-commerce. E-business is the administration of conducting business via the internet. IBM brought this concept to provide buyers a platform on the internet to buy and sell goods. E-business and e-commerce cannot be used interchangeably. E-commerce refers to buying and selling online. E-business includes all business conducted online. E-commerce is a branch of e-business. Now see, on the right hand side you can see one image. E-commerce is a small part of e-business. That means the term e-business is a wider term as compared to e-commerce. E-commerce can be one of the activity which is conducted under e-business. Now let us understand the scope of e-business. It has much wide scope than traditional business. It includes online shopping, line stock, transactions, and the use of software. Almost all types of business functions such as production, finance, marketing, planning, organizing, etc. can be carried out over computer network. Now dear students, here you can see again some images. B2B, B2C, C2C. Now let us understand what all are these terms. So viewed from this perspective, a firm, electronic transition and networks can be visualized as extending into 6 directions, which are business to business, which is commonly called as B2B, business to consumer, B2C, consumer to business, C2B, consumer to consumer, C2C, business to administration, B2A, consumer to administration, C to A. Let us understand it one by one. Business to business, wherein both the parties involved here are business firms, and hence it is called as business to business. That means one business company selling their product, knowledge, process, technology, information to other business organization. That is B2B. Second, business to consumer, B2C. Here, transactions are taking place between business firms and consumers, as consumers searches for required products through the websites of business firms. And we do see so many examples of B2C. And after Corona, this B2C has gained much importance. For example, Flipkart, Amazon, and many other. Consumer to business, C2B. In this transaction, consumer requests specific service from the business, sometimes by quoting own prices for the goods or services. For example, taxi services, hiring pest control services like Ola, Uber, etc. Consumer to consumer, C2C. Here, consumers can transact with each other through some third party using their website. For example, OLX, eBay. Herein, one consumer will sell goods to other consumer. So that's why C to C. Business to administration, B to A. It includes all transactions conducted online between business and public administration. So for example, payment of taxes, getting permits, etc. from the government can be done through their portals by using their websites. So B to A. Consumer to administration, C to A. It includes all the electronic transactions between individuals and public administration. For example, getting Aadhaar card, passport, PAN card, etc. That means we, the general public, whenever we use any government portal or government website, we come under C to A, consumer to administration. So these are the different ways of conducting e-business. So now let us understand the difference between e-business and traditional business. We all know traditional business, but let us understand its meaning. So e-business means electronic business. It also refers to the activities through the internet. Traditional business, it refers to the local store which provides the products and services to the local customers. Cost, there is very less cost to start an electronic business as compared to traditional business. Traditional business having a high cost for startup and other activities. Operating cost. Operating cost in e-business is less because all the activities are conducted through online mode. Whereas in traditional business, operating cost is very high. For example, payment to the staff, electricity expenses, maintenance, furniture, etc. Physical examination. In e-business, no physical examination of goods is required. Whereas in traditional business, it includes all those activities which are related to the local market. So physical examination is possible in this case. Distribution. As an online business, there is no channel of distribution because all the transactions are conducted through the internet. Whereas in case of traditional business, various intermediaries are involved. Intermediaries meaning here chain involved such as wholesaler, retailer, sale agents, etc. Risk. In case of e-business, there is a high risk because there is no personal or direct contact between the parties. Whereas in case of traditional business, all parties are connected and having personal interaction. So there is very less chance of risk related to misconduct. And the last point, human resources. E-business requires technically qualified and IT professionals, whereas traditional business requires semi-skilled and skilled human resources. Now let us see benefits of e-business over the traditional business. Obviously, easy formation. E-business is relatively easy to set up as required as compared to traditional business. It also requires lower investments as this business doesn't require physical space and this can be managed with limited manpower. Convenience. E-business offers business transactions at any point of time throughout the year, that is 24/7 services available. Speed. Information about the product can be provided quickly during buying and selling at the click of mouse. Global access. E-business is spread all over the world due to internet. It offers freedom to buyer to buy goods from any other part of the world. Thus, local to global access is available. Movement towards a paperless society. Most of the e-businesses use computers and internet have reduced use of paper tremendously as the information gets available on internet itself. Government support. Government supports setting up of e-business to ensure maximum transparency. Easy payment. Multiple payment options are available like credit cards, debit cards, e-wallets, etc. that any time payment can be made. So students, today we learn about the meaning of e-business, the difference between e-business and traditional business, scope of e-business, and the benefits of e-business. In the next lecture, we will discuss about the procedure of conducting online business transactions. Thank you.